cell A2, we will going to calculate the shipping cost for the red line shipping in the cell F2, calculate the shipping cost for the blue line in the cell G2, calculate the shipping cost for the green line, then use autofill to complete the formula for the remaining rows. First is in the shipping cost worksheet, place the cursor in the cell E2 and then enter the formula equal to D2 to multiply B and place the cursor in the cell F2 and then enter. Equal to and then place the in F2, then enter the formula D2 multiplied by B12. And then in the G2, enter the formula D2 multiplied by B13. Place the cursor in the A2, position the pointer at the bottom right corner of the cell. The pointer will change to a small black cross. Like this, drag the pointer across to the A5, then release the pointer to complete the action. And if finish further, fill cell by autofill. What is this? Time. Format cell general. Okay. This is for the result. And then we're going to the perform calculation by using the average, max, mean, and sum function. For doing this, in the shipping cost worksheet, calculate the total cost of shipping for each shipping line in cell A5 A5, F5 and G5. In the shipping cost worksheet, place the cursor in the cell A5, then enter the formula equal to sum A2 A5 A8, and then enter. Repeat for F9 and G9 or use Autofill. Format cell general. Okay. And this is for the total shipping cost. And then we're going to apply number format. We're going to the apply number format. In the shipping cost worksheet, apply the accounting number format to the shipping cost cell A2 until G5. Select the A2 until G5. From the home, tab number group, select the number format, drop down, then choosing accounting. And then select OK. And then we will perform calculation by using the average, max, and min sum function. In the section 2 to 2.2.5, we will apply number format. In the shipping cost worksheet, calculate the lowest shipping cost in cell A5. The average shipping cost in cell A11, A12, and A13. In the shipping cost worksheet, place the cursor in the cell A11, then enter equal min A8 G8. Enter. Place the cursor in the cell A12 and then enter equal to average G8 and the highest, enter equal to max, A8, G8, and then enter. Select the cell A11 until A13, and then from the Home tab, select the number group and select the number format. And drop down and choose counting. Okay, we finish for applying number format, and then we will going to wrap text within cell. In the shipping cost worksheet, wrap text in cell A1, F1, G1 from the home. Okay, alignment, group cell wrap text. This is text, and then okay. Okay, you can use this. Oh, nothing here. Then we will going to modify cell alignment, orientation, and indentation. In the shipping cost worksheet, align the text in cell A1, F1, and G1 center horizontally and vertically at 30-degree orientation. In the shipping cost worksheet, select the A1, F1, and G1 from the Home tab, choose Alignment Group, and launch the dialog box in the Format cell as follows. Text alignment, section horizontal center and vertical center. Orientation, change to 30-degree and select OK. And the title will be changed like this. Okay, we move to adjust row height and column width. In the shipping cost worksheet, auto-fit column with width. In the shipping cost worksheet, select column A to G. From the Home tab, select the cell in the cell group, select the format, drop down, and then select the auto-fit column with white. Okay, and the Excel will be changed like this. And then we will going to move to insert and delete the cell. In the shipping cost worksheet, insert a row above row 1. Select the A1 and from the Home tab, choose Cell Group and select the Insert drop down and then choose the Insert Sheet Row. And this is the insert link. Okay. We move to merge and unmerge cells. In the shipping cost worksheet, merge and center cell A1 to G1, then enter the text outsourcing shipping costs. A1 to G1, and then from the home tab, choose alignment, select merge and center, and then enter the text outsourcing shipping costs, and then enter. Okay. And we will going to fill cell by using autofill. Count cell by using the count, counta, and count blank function. First, in the flower worksheet, we move to flower worksheet. Cell C30. Enter a function to count how many flowers are in zone 3. Use autofill to copy the formula to in the flower worksheet, select the cell and enter the count equal to counta C2 C28, enter. The pointer at the bottom right corner of cell C30, the pointer will change to a small black course. Drag the pointer across to the cell L30. Then release the pointer to complete the action. Fill cell by using autofill.